Alright, so I just wanted to quickly introduce something that I've been working on, learning this demo for PXDR, or just DR in Portworx by Pure Storage. So let's get into the environment and see what we can do. You'll see here that I have two clusters, and both of them are running in AWS. So there's one master and 3 workers on each cluster. And we'll just run this command here that will show us the actual storage, the Portworx cluster, and how it is stretched across the two environments. So that way we can get a synchronous link between the two. So all 6 nodes are running storage, and you can see them here on the right. Now I have an application already running here, and it has a load balancer set up for it. So let me actually pull that up. And it's a very complicated web app that has a database on the back end. And I'll just add some data. So I'll add my name, O, or they call me J-O. I am in Atlanta, and everything is a peach tree in Atlanta, so let's type that in there. See how that goes. Atlanta. And a number. Not my phone number, but a number. So we'll add that to the database. Go back. Data is in there. If you want to see the pods, there's a little bit. Well, let's check this load balancer first. You can see that it notices all instances, but it has a listener, so it's live to the ones that actually has a node port on that port. So you can see the pods are running. There's the service and that port number. And so let's do something drastic. Let's simulate that John came into your environment, and because he likes to delete things, he's going to come in here and not just shut them down, but terminate the instances. So this is going to break that Kubernetes cluster, probably for good. Maybe you can get it back, but cluster's gone. But do I still have my data? The app is down, right? But because of Portworx, we're able to not lose any data, have an instant failover. So let's actually help it fail over by running this command. This is going to tell it to fail over, and so that we're only using the second cluster for storage, and we're going to tell it to check the status. And I have to type this very slow so I can remember. Right, there we go. Cluster 2 is in sync. Cluster 1 is not in sync. And now let's start the migration. So we do a storkctl command, which is activate migration. So this is going to tell the deployment that was replicated to the second cluster to go ahead and scale up. So the SQL database, my SQL database, and the web front end will spin up. And you can see that the containers are creating. To run it a couple times to see what's going on, but let's run a watch because I'm impatient and I don't like hitting up and enter over and over. It'll give us just a few seconds for this to start. There we go. They're running. Once the MySQL instance is up, then the web service will connect to it and our application will be back to life. How patient I am. Go, refresh, and there's our application. Now let's see if the data is there. Add an owner, find, and there I am. All my data that I entered. So that's a 0 RPO. Now the RTO is as fast as I can run that failover, but you can see that's not hard. And so that is the demo of DR in Portworx in Kubernetes. It can run anywhere for you. Thank you.